Unlocking the golden moment, a treasure in English phrases. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're embarking on a linguistic adventure to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, golden moment. This expression is a gem in the English language, often used to describe something truly special. Join me as we delve into its significance and usage. A golden moment refers to a brief period of time that is particularly pleasurable, successful, or opportune. It's like finding a piece of gold amidst the ordinary. It stands out and is valued. These moments are often fleeting, which makes them all the more cherished. Why golden? Gold is a precious metal, highly valued for its beauty and rarity. In English, attaching golden to a concept often signifies excellence or superiority. It's a color associated with success, achievement, and sometimes wisdom. Think of phrases like golden opportunity or golden years. Let's see how golden moment is used. In sports, the player scored in the last second, a true golden moment. In personal achievements, graduating at the top of her class was her golden moment. In life experiences, the couple's first dance at their wedding was a golden moment. Now, let's practice using golden moment in a sentence. Remember, context is key to pinpoint that shining instance of joy or success. As the sun set over the mountain, we experienced a golden moment of peace and beauty. He realized that witnessing the birth of his child was the golden moment of his life. If you want to add variety to your speech or writing, you can use synonyms like magic moment, high point, peak experience, or defining moment. Each carries a similar golden weight of significance. And there you have it, the essence of a golden moment, captured in words. These are the instances that sparkle in the narrative of our lives, leaving behind a glow of happiness and pride. I hope this video helps you recognize and appreciate your own golden moments. Until next time, keep learning and shining.